Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo F9 versus a Samsung Galaxy A30. And F9 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the A30 comes with a Exynos 7904 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and show you what is a difference between F9 versus A30 or the Exynos 7904 versus the Snapdragon 660. And this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. And F9 faster there with the Snapdragon 660, and A30 is also done about 4 second or 6 second difference there. And everything is closed up in the background and nothing opened. Phone dialer application faster on the F9, and A30 is right behind launching the messages. Faster on the A30, F9 is right behind launching the settings on both phones. F9 faster there, and A30 is right behind launching the calculator on both phones. Faster on the F9, and A30 is right behind launching the MyFiles application. Here we go. And faster on the F9, and A30 is right behind. So let's launching some games application. First is the Candy Crush. Faster on the F9, and A30 is right behind. Next game application is the Subway Surfer. Faster on the Oppo F9, and A30 is right behind. Launching the last game application is the Temper Run 2. And again it is faster on the Oppo F9, and A30 is right behind about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones, and faster on the F9, and A30 is right behind. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Samsung internet versus a Google Chrome on the F9. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones. As first website is the wikipedia.org, and let's see. Faster on the Oppo F9, and A30 is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see looking very smooth. Same thing with zooming in and out. Let's go back and launching the facebook.com on both phones. Not Facebook, amazon.com. And seems like the Samsung Galaxy A30, yes, it is faster there. And Vivo V11 is also done. So let's see the RAM measurement, and 4GB RAM on both phones. And seems like the both phones is very good in the RAM measurement. Let's see. And I think that got refresh on the Oppo F9. You guys are the judge of the speed test. And the games is not refresh on both phones. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I have to say that and the app's opening speed faster on the Oppo F9 just a tiny bit, and A30 is right behind to the Oppo F9, and RAM management is very good on both phones, not much a difference between both of these phones, and one refresh I think on the Oppo F9. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A30 versus Oppo F9. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.